diamond play buttons are very cool and very shiny. But have you ever wondered how many souls were sacrificed to make one?
Fun fact, the diamond play button is in fact made with the souls of this. Conscience, whose soul should we steal today?
I need you to get another soul from a lizard critter.
Thank you, Conscience. I will do that.
Hello? Lauren, they found it.
Lizard.
I'm a lizard creature.
Oh! We didn't see you there. Oh, God! Oh, now it's
Lizard.
behind me. Bam! Got him.